Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 28 in stainless steel with a pistachio dial, reference 276200. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of the Oyster Perpetual. Then I'll tell you about where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar OPs or Oyster Perpetuals. Then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement. Finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a little bit of overview. Now the Oyster Perpetual, also known as OP28, was revised and modernized in 2020. Before then, it had some minor differences. I'm not going to go through all of them, but basically the bracelet and just and some new colors. Now in 2020, when they released it, I'm going to call this the modern OP because it's more or less the same. Actually, it's even the same reference number. So it's the same as what we have right now, except they've released new colors over the years. So in 2020, they released some new colors that Rolex never really did before, such as hot pink and some reds and greens and different colors. But for the 28s, they didn't release a whole lot of funky colors. Like they did these crazy turquoise for other sizes, but for the 28, they didn't do much. The only thing they did in 28, I think, is just a pink dial. If even that, I'm not sure. But they just did the basic colors, the black, silver, gray, basic colors. But in 2025, Rolex decided to release the funky colors, the pastel colors, such as the beige, they call it a lavender. It basically looks like a purple, a pistachio, which is like this green that you see here, and then they redid the blue, and to make a matte blue instead, also in line with their pastel colored collection. And so they released it in 2025. The only thing they did different in 2020 versus 25 is release some different colors. It's the same watch, same reference, everything else is the same, just the dial colors. And they got rid of those old colors. So that's where it stands in the lineup. All right. Now, I'll also tell you that 28 millimeters is the smallest size that Rolex makes for ladies. So they make it for ladies in size 28, 31, and 34. And so 28 would be the smallest that they have. Okay, so for those ladies who have, let's say, a wrist size of 5.5 inches or smaller, I think they could really benefit from a size 28. Okay, let's move on here to start talking about the case. Now, the case is going to be all stainless steel. The thing is with Oyster Perpetuals, they do everything out of steel. There's no gold on it whatsoever. That would be a Datejust. And the case itself is going to have a satin finish top. That means the top part of it is going to be a brushed finish stainless steel as opposed to a high polish, which you get on Datejust. And that gives it a more versatile look, I would say. It makes it look less fancy because it's not all super shiny. And in my opinion, makes the watch a little bit more user-friendly because you're not worried about getting any scratches on it. Okay, that's the case. It's 28 millimeters, and as I said, it's the smallest one. It's quite thin because it doesn't have any date on it. I think it's something like 10 or 11 millimeters. It's a nice size. All right, and it's also made out of the same steel, just different finish. It's a 904L steel, the best steel basically that you can get. Let's look at the bezel here. And the bezel is also a domed bezel. It's the same kind of bezel that you would see on a basic Datejust. There's no gold on it, no fluting, no diamonds, nothing. Just a basic stainless steel domed bezel, which is not terribly a bad thing because, it gives this watch a very simple but elegant look, one that can be worn in many different situations. For example, you could be wearing it around the house very casually, or you can still dress it up and wear something pastel-like colored, and it will still look very classy. Like I could imagine a dress in like a yellow or a white or any kind of summer dress with this kind of watch. It will still look really classy. So that's the okay, let's move on here to the dial. Now, as I stated, this is a new dial. It's Pistachio, and And as a result, Rolex really wisely put their funkiest colors on their most basic models, which actually make their base models sell above retail. You can imagine, even their base models sell above retail. And why is that? Well, the color itself is so cool, and it's not that easy to get this interesting, cool color. You can't just walk in and get this at the authorized dealer. So you're gonna have to have a bit of sales history to get this kind of interesting, cool color. So therefore, if you want it, you should go to jazztime.com or click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com at the lowest price anywhere online. So the dial color here is a pistachio for good reason. The color itself looks like a pistachio. But more than that, this collection of colors, which came out in 2025, include this pastel-colored pistachio, a lavender, a beige, and I wouldn't call it hot pink, but they call it a candy pink. And all these colors really just, and also the blue, as I stated, they just all part of the same pastel-colored collection. And it really looks nice, very summer-like or spring-like and fun colors. And they're probably not going to have them very long. When they release funky colors like this, they don't keep them as part of their main staple. They keep it on for a few years and then they disconnect it and move on to the next color. So if you like this, you got to get it soon before they're sold out. Okay, let's look at the bracelet. The bracelet, you have no other option other than the Oyster bracelet. It does, however, have a comfort extension, which the previous generation did not have. So that is quite a big difference. The movement here also is an improvement on the past. It's a caliber 2232. You can't see it anyways, but it is very precise and it has a power reserve of 55 hours. It means you don't have to pick it up for 2 days. You use it, you put it down, you can pick it up in 2 days, it'll still work. All right, time to try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. I really like that Rolex used their funky colors on their base models, making their base models even desirable pieces that sell above retail. And putting these funky colors just really adds a flavor and dimension to Rolex that I think their other watches actually don't really add. Their Datejust is it's a premier line, but they don't have these funky colors. So if you want something really funky, cool, out of the box, you got to go with the Oyster Perpetual. And it definitely in this green, it's not a color you see very often. In fact, I don't know of any other watch that is having this pistachio color. So for that uniqueness, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And if you like to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.